Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how to get to analytics on TikTok. So in the TikTok profile page, on the top right corner, these three vertical dots are there. Tap there and you will see manage my account. Tap there. You have to switch to pro account. Tap there. Now tap continue. As you can see analytics once you go to pro account. So tap continue. Select one of these. I'll select media. Now tap next. Give your phone number. Hit next. Now wait for the code. Okay, I got the code. Now hit done. Now you are in pro account. Now to see analytics, tab here. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get to analytics on TikTok. It will take 7 days or 28 days to get some data. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.